In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Casetify discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Casetify discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if I want to choose, let's say, this one with 15% discount off my next order, I'm going to simply tap on this offer right here, and this is the promo code. All I need to do is select copy from right here, and I can copy the promo code and apply this one on my next purchase so that I can get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmino.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount site-wide, all you have to do is select the promotion right here, and this is the promo code. Simply tap right here to copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.